Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Verma. Today we are going to make program to find area and circumference of circle. First of all, we are giving a comment by using hash. Compiler will not read this line. We are taking one variable r that is equal to, and its value we are taking from user. So we are saying input. Here we want to pass one message, enter radius. Now we are going to find out the area of circle. So we are mentioning A. Suppose this is the area and the area of circle is pi r square, where pi is 3.14 into r. So this is pi r square. Now we are going to print this. So using print, and here we are mentioning A. So now we are going to run this program. It is asking enter radius. Let's say I am putting 10. Now it is showing an error. Sequence by non-int type float. So here we know that whenever we take any input in Python, it is by default string. So we need to convert to the integer. So we are writing int and we are typecasting this input into integer. So whatever input user will give, that will be converted to integer and it will be stored to r. Now again running this program. So here enter radius, let's say 10. Now we can see that 314. So here what is this 314? Now we are putting one comment that area of circle. So this is A. And we are concatenating with the comma. Now again running this program. So enter radius 10. Here area of circle is 314. Next we are finding the circumference of circle. So circumference of circle is C. That will be equal to 2 pi r. Here 2 multiply with pi. Pi is 3.14 into r. So 2 pi r. And here we are going to print in the similar way. Print. Then circumference of circle. And here we are going to print this, comma, C. Now running this code, asking for the radius. Now we are entering the radius as 10. So here area of circle is 3.14 and the circumference is 62.8. Now we are saving this program file, save as. So circle area.py, save. So this is the name we have given to the program. So this is the program to calculate area and circumference of circle. That's all for today. Thank you.